You've got to build your raised beds now. If you're planning on doing any raised bed gardening this summer, this is why you need to get it ready now. The sooner you prepare your raised beds, the sooner your soil can be conditioned. Compost and fertilizer need time to set in, but there's so much more than that. And once it's all set up, then you can start to water the soil. This will germinate any weed seeds that happen to be in there. That way you can pull the weeds before you plant your real seeds. So that's why I'm setting up literally the nicest raised bed I've ever seen. And I'm doing it now before it gets warm. Since it will be all ready, I can transplant the second the weather says it's okay.